Medical research is a field of study that focuses on understanding human health, diseases, and treatments. It involves the systematic investigation of biological, medical, and clinical questions to improve health outcomes and advance medical knowledge. Medical research can encompass a broad range of topics, including the development of new drugs, diagnostic tools, medical devices, and treatments. It is a crucial component of the healthcare system as it directly influences clinical practices, healthcare policies, and public health strategies. Medical research is typically divided into basic, clinical, and translational research, with each type contributing to different aspects of healthcare, from understanding disease mechanisms to developing therapeutic interventions. The primary purpose of medical research is to improve human health by advancing knowledge of diseases, developing effective treatments, and enhancing healthcare practices. Researchers in this field aim to understand the underlying causes of diseases, including genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors, and to identify potential methods of prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. For instance, medical research may focus on discovering new antibiotics to combat antibiotic-resistant infections, or on developing cancer therapies that target specific tumor cells. It also aims to improve public health by identifying trends, risk factors, and effective prevention strategies. Ultimately, the goal of medical research is to reduce the burden of diseases, improve patient care, and increase life expectancy. Medical research is characterized by its focus on human health, diseases, and treatments, often conducted through a combination of laboratory studies, clinical trials, and epidemiological research. In basic medical research, scientists study biological systems, cells, and molecules to understand the mechanisms of diseases at the cellular or molecular level. Clinical research involves studying patient populations to test the safety and efficacy of new treatments, drugs, or medical procedures. This may include randomized controlled trials, which are considered the gold standard for assessing the effectiveness of interventions. Epidemiological research examines the distribution and determinants of diseases in populations, helping to identify risk factors and inform public health policies. The interdisciplinary nature of medical research often requires collaboration among biologists, clinicians, pharmacologists, and public health experts. Medical research is crucial for improving health outcomes, developing innovative treatments, and addressing emerging health challenges. It plays a key role in preventing, diagnosing, and treating diseases, ultimately leading to improved patient care and quality of life. For example, medical research has led to the development of vaccines that prevent infectious diseases, like measles and polio, saving millions of lives globally. It has also resulted in life-saving treatments for chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Medical research also helps policymakers make informed decisions regarding public health strategies, such as vaccination programs and disease screening initiatives. Moreover, it provides essential knowledge for healthcare professionals, enabling them to apply the most up-to-date evidence-based practices in their care for patients. Medical research faces several challenges and limitations, some of which are inherent to the field and others related to ethical, financial, and logistical factors. One significant challenge is the complexity of human biology, which makes it difficult to predict how treatments or interventions will affect individuals with varying genetic makeup, lifestyles, and comorbidities. Clinical trials, while critical, can be expensive, time-consuming, and difficult to recruit participants for, especially when dealing with rare diseases. Ethical concerns are also a major consideration in medical research, particularly in clinical trials involving human subjects. Researchers must ensure that participants' rights are protected, that informed consent is obtained, and that no harm comes to those involved. Moreover, medical research may be constrained by funding limitations, regulatory requirements, and the availability of resources. Despite these challenges, medical research continues to be essential for advancing healthcare and improving global health outcomes.